On July 5th, we announced the winners of the Deconstruct ROS Awards 2024 during the Robotics Developers Day. These awards celebrate outstanding contributions to the ROS community and the ROS-based robot industry. In this video, I will introduce the finalists and winners and explain the voting process and results. First, let's meet the finalists for the Best ROS Software 2024. The first finalist is AutoWare. AutoWare is an open source software stack for self-driving vehicles. It is based on ROS and developed by AutoWare Foundation. Second, Isaac Sim Simulator. It is a simulator developed by NVIDIA for training and testing AI robots. It is compatible with ROS. Third, RBeast 2. This is the main 3D visualization tool for ROS applications, and it provides a graphical interface for users to view their robot, sensor data, maps, and many more things. And then finally, on the fourth position, we have Behavior 3 CPP. That's a C++ library to create behavior trees. It is widely used in the ROS applications world for specifying robot behaviors. All those tools have significantly advanced the ROS ecosystem. And the winner for the Best ROS Software 2024 is AutoWare. Yes, congratulations to the AutoWare team for their exceptional contribution. Okay, next, let's look at the finalists for the Best ROS Robot 2024. First, we have Tiago, developed by PAL Robotics. Tiago is a humanoid service robot designed to work in indoor environments. It is wheel-based, has a lifting torso, full arm with gripper, and sensory head. Second, we have the TortoiseBot kit developed by ROS Labs. The TortoiseBot is a learner-friendly ROS-based mobile robot that is designed to provide an affordable and accessible platform to students and researchers to explore the field of robotics. Then, on the third position, we have a MadBot developed by iHub Robotics. It is an educational two-wheel robot that works on ROS with Python. Then finally, we have Limo Pro Robot, which is developed by AgileX Robotics. And Limo Pro is a robotic platform for students and researchers with numerous sensors, and it is compatible with ROS 1 and ROS 2. All these robots showcase the incredible capabilities of ROS, both in education and commercial uses. And the winner for the Best ROS Robot 2024 is Limo Pro, developed by AgileX Robotics. Congratulations! And now, let's meet the finalists for the Best ROS Developer 2024. First, we have Tomoya Fujita. Tomoya Fujita, he works as a software architect at Sony in the USA, and he is also an important contributor to ROS. Recently, he published a project called ROS2 AI, which is a next-generation ROS2 command line empowered by OpenAI. I will put a link below in the video description about this project, so cool. Then we have Kartik Soni, who is a robotics developer from ROS Labs from India. He is a pro in ROS 1 and ROS 2 and also is one of the main developers of the ROS Labs robot lineup. Next, we have Gijs van der Hoorn. He is a key contributor to the ROS and ROS industrial communities, and he also was the main admin of the ROS forum. Then next, we have Sai Kishor, who is a humanoid robots developer from PAL Robotics. He is an expert on robot control, especially for humanoid robots integrated with ROS. All these developers have made significant contributions to the ROS community. Excellent. And the winner for the best ROS Developer 2024 is Tomoya Fujita. Yeah, congratulations Tomoya for the recognition to your outstanding contributions. And for this category, I would like to extend a big thanks to all the robotics developers working behind the scenes. I know many of you may not be famous, but your continuous contributions make our robotics community stronger every single day. You are helping to create a future where robotics solve important problems and improve people's lives. So your efforts are truly appreciated. Thank you very much. Now, let's talk about the voting process. The Constructs ROS Awards are open to everyone in the ROS community, allowing one vote per device and IP address. We used the Democracy Poll WordPress plugin to collect and analyze the votes. Any person can vote for some entry already in the list or propose his own candidate. Here are the screenshots showing the data collection process and the calculations involved. We received a total of 1,334 votes for Best ROS Software, 1,274 votes for Best ROS Robot, and 739 votes for the Best ROS Developer. In order to pick the winner of each category, the following rules apply. First, all votes to winners of previous editions of the awards were discarded. Since the purpose of the Construct ROS Awards is to help software, robots, and contributors to get more awareness, previous winners can be nominated again, so they can leave space to other contributions. Then, second rule, votes were only counted if they were cast in the correct corresponding category. For example, if there was a vote for Turntable Robot in the Best ROS Software category, this vote didn't count as a valid one. Then third, some people may vote for the same robot but with different names. For example, Limo by AgileX Robotics received votes as both Limo and Limo by AgileX Robotics. In such cases, we added up the total number of votes. Fourth, finally, we discarded senseless votes, like, for example, voting for me. You know, there was some votes for me. And that's all. So thank you, everyone who participated in the voting process. Your support helps us recognize and celebrate the best in the ROS community. We hope those winners can get more attention, but also we hope that you, the person who is watching this video and interested in robotics, can be inspired by their works. So someday, we hope to see you named as the best ROS developer, or your robot as the best ROS Robot, or your code as the best ROS software. Keep pushing your robotics learning, take care, and peace. For more information about the Construct ROS Awards and to stay updated to all things ROS, visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.